Good morning, class. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. By the way, my name is POORU Sharma. I am your new English spoken teacher. I am going to teach you how to speak English language. Shall we start the class now? Today, we are going to learn about helping verbs. Let me tell you the definition of helping verbs. Helping verbs are the verbs which help us to identify the tense of the sentence. Without helping verbs, we cannot find out whether sentence belongs to past, future, or present tense. As you know already, we have three tense. First is present tense. Second is past tense. Third is future tense. Present tense has 7 helping verbs. 7 helping verbs of the present tense are do, does, is, am, are, has and have. Let's learn how to use these helping verbs. Let's start with do. I do my work. In this sentence, do is not helping verb. Do is main verb. Because we do not use helping verbs in simple present tense. Let's see some more examples.
I do not play cricket.
But I play cricket. I don't know how to cook the food.
But I know how to cook the food. Do you know how to drive the car?
No, I do not know how to drive the car. Do you know how to speak the English language?
Yes, I know how to speak the English language.
Let's make some sentences with does. He does his homework of school. In this sentence, does is not a helping verb. Does is playing the role of main verb. Because, in simple present tense we do not use any helping verb. He does not play with me.
Does Jack play with you?
Yes, he does. The robot does not know how to read the book.
Yes, I know reading, but Lisa does not know reading.
Does Lisa know you?
Yes, she knows me.
Does Jenny recognize you?
Yes, she does.
Let's learn the use of is. She is my friend Lisa. She is a pilot.
He is my friend POORU Sharma. He is a teacher in step-by-step public school.
She is a police officer.
But Mr. POORU is not a con man.
This is my car. This is a bus stop. This is a park. This is a plane. Shinchan is my favorite cartoon. Goku is my favorite anime character. This is a train compartment. Next helping verb is am. I am a teacher.
I am a plumber.
I am Dr. Drake.
I am your new patient.
I am your doctor. Next helping verb is are. We are friends. We are at home. You are my classmate. And you are my best friend. We are walking on the footpath. Yes, we are. Are you a fireman? Yes, I am. They are playing. They are waiting. We are footballers. Are they fighting? No, they are not fighting. Now, we will learn the use of have. I have an apple. I have few books on my desk. I have a car. They have a playground. You have a pet dog. They have so many books for study. I have a guitar. I have no idea how to cook the food. I have no idea how to swim. Now we are going to understand use of has. He has a car. She has so many toys. Goku has superpowers. Shin-chan has a dog. She has an idea. how to solve the problems. She has no idea how to speak the English language. The park has a bench. The park has so many trees. The park has greenery. The school has a corridor. Corridor has so many lockers. This locker has so many books. Now, we are going to learn about helping verbs of past tense. But, if you have any doubt you can ask right now. Anyone? Past tense has 4 helping verb. Did, was, were, had. Let's start with did. Did. Did is the helping verb of past indefinite tense. Let's start. I did my work. In this sentence, did is not a helping verb. Did is playing the role of main verb. I did not watch the movie.
But I did. Did you call me yesterday?
No, I did not.
Did you see that stunning car?
Yes, I did. Did you all understand? Anyone? No need to shy or hesitate in front of me. Okay then. Next, helping verb is was. Was is the helping verb of past continuous tense. I was a student of her class, but now I am a teacher.
Yes, he was my student.
She was my favorite teacher in the school.
And he was a mischief maker in the school.
No, I was not a mischief maker in the school. Was I?
Yes, you were.
Next helping verb is were. Let's learn the use of were. You were my classmate in the school. Yes, we were classmates in the school. They were my teammates. They were my favorite cricketers. We were colleagues. Next helping verb is had. Let's start. She had the perfect bicycle. He had a car. We had good holidays. I had a cricket bat when I was a kid. I had lots of friends when I was in college. Now, we are going to learn about helping verbs of future tense. Future tense has 2 helping verbs. First is shall. Second is will. Let's learn about shall. Shall we start? We shall watch the movie, but I shall not watch the movie. We shall study after the match. Shall we start the game? Using will with subjects, I and we, is not wrong. Let's learn the use of will. He will play cricket after rain stops. She will celebrate her birthday. They will study after watching movie. He will not disturb the class. Thanks for watching the video. And always remember, try, but do not dare to cry. In next video, we will learn something new. Have a great day.